Hi students, welcome to your channel MRNS Educational and Social Service. Dear students, take care of your health. So బయటకు జాగ్రత్తగా వెళ్ళండి, మాస్క్ ధరించండి, శానిటైజ్ చేసుకోండి. డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేయొద్దు మీ హెల్త్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో. ప్రికాషన్స్ బాగా తీసుకోండి. లాస్ట్ వీడియోలో టైప్ 2 డిస్కస్ చేసాం, ఇంటిగ్రేషన్, ఇండిఫినిట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్లో. నౌ టైప్ 3 డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం స్టూడెంట్స్. సో నా వీడియోస్ కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయడం మర్చిపోవద్దు, ఓకేనా? సో థర్డ్ టైప్ లీనియర్ అండ్ క్వాడ్రిక్. సో ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్లో ఇది న్యూమరేటర్లో ఉండేది, న్యూమరేటర్. ఈ రెండు బై లేకుండా ఉండేది. ఇప్పుడు లీనియర్ డినామినేటర్, quadratic in denominator, linear under root of quadratic. In this case students, here whole square I consider, but we may take some r value also. Here we may take r value, any power, whatever it may be, any power. So if you have like this, put this linear function as 1 by t, reciprocal, please remember px plus q equal to 1 by t. From this, bring q to this side, 1 by t minus q. From this, x equal to 1 by t minus q, cross multiply. So when you substitute, we have to find dx value also students. dx, that is very important. We will see the example students. See this example, integration 1 by x plus 2 into root of x square plus 4x plus 3. Dear students, put this linear function as 1 by 2, x plus 2 equal to 1 by t. Now, from this x equal to 1 by t minus 2, take LCM or differentiate. Dx equal to 1 by t derivative is minus t square dt, constant derivative 0. Substitute these values students here. 1 by x plus 2 is 1 by t, root over x value is 1 by t minus 2 whole square, 4 into 1 by t minus 2 plus 3 into dx. So substitute these values here. Students, dx value is minus 1 by t square. Substitute that value also, minus 1 by t square dt. 1 by t goes to numerator, t by root of a minus b whole square, 1 by t square minus 4t, 4 by t, 2ab plus 4 multiply minus plus 4 by t minus 8 plus 3 into minus 1 by t square dt students. See, minus 4 by t plus 4 by t getting cancelled. Here t one time getting cancelled. Integration 1 by root over 1 by t square, 4 plus 3, 7 minus 8 is minus 1 students, minus 1 by t dt. Now take LCM, 1 by root over 1 minus t square by t. T square, root launch outside goes t, minus 1 by t dt. This t goes to numerator students, which becomes t by root over 1 minus t square minus 1 by t dt. T cancel, getting cancelled, minus 1 by root over 1 minus t square dt, which is equal to 1 by root over 1 minus t square is sin inverse t plus c. What is t value students? X plus 2 equal to 1 by t. cross multiply, t value becomes 1 by x plus 2. Sin inverse 1 by x plus 2 plus c. Here cross multiply, we get t value 1 by x plus 2. So this is the integration value of, this is the value of this integration, 1 by x plus 2 into root of x square plus 4x plus 3. Okay now? Dear students, let us see this example. This is one of the very important example. Just in previous problem, one function is linear, another one is root of quadratic. Here both are quadratic, but we can convert this into the linear because this have factors. It has factors, students. X square minus 5x plus 6 is x minus 2 into x minus 3. My dear students, if you have factors, resolve it. Partial fractions, resolved into partial fractions. Partial fractions is very, very important. Since students, x square minus 5x plus 6 have factors. So those factors of these two, these are x minus 2 into x minus 3. Now here we have two factors. We can resolve it into partial fractions like this. Something by x minus 2 plus something by x minus 3 into 1 by root of x square minus 6x plus 10 dx. See students, it is very, very important. To get numerator this of this fraction, to get numerator value of this fraction, what is the denominator here? X minus 2. Take this as 0. When this as 0, x equal to 2. X equal to 2. Substitute x equal to 2 in this value. To get this value, take this as denominator. X minus 2 is 0. Remove that x minus 2, close it. Substitute x equal to remaining value. 1 by 2 minus 3, it becomes minus 1. To get this numerator value, take this denominator as 0. We get x equal to 3. Substitute x equal to 3 here. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 by 1 is 1. So like this we can find partial fractions of linear factors. Please remember that one. Now students, multiply inside. Minus is there. Minus 1 by x minus 2 into root of x square minus 6x plus 10 dx plus, separate the integration. Integration 1 by x minus 3 into root of x square minus 6 plus 10 dx. Now this integration of the form 1 by px plus q root of ax square plus bx plus p. It is also, in first integration we take x minus 2 equal to 1 by t. From this x equal to 1 by t plus 2. Now dx equal to minus 1 by t square dt. In first integration, students, in first integration. In second integration, here x minus 3, put x minus 3 equal to 1 by p. Already 1 by t, we used 1 by t value. From this x equal to 1 by p plus 3. Now dx equal to minus 1 by p square dp. 1 by p derivative is minus 1 by p square dp. Dear students, substitute these values in integration, we get previous problem model. Okay now? నా వీడియోస్ కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, కామెంట్స్ కూడా పెట్టండి స్టూడెంట్స్ ప్లీజ్. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. బాయ్. జై హింద్.